I purchased the Samsung push-in water filter from Lowe's to replace the existing one in my refrigerator. I got it on sale for $37.05. The water filter is supposed to last 6 months, and then you're supposed to replace it. This is the HAF-QIN model. Here's a quick look at the back of the box and the back of the filter. This is the recommended water filter for my refrigerator. Let's take the filter out of the box and start the installation. It's not so easy to get the water filter out of the packaging, so I grabbed a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut open the packaging and take the water filter out. Now that I have the filter out of the packaging, here's a close-up of the front of the filter. It's an ice and water refrigerator filter. It's a replacement filter for DA97 17376B and 08006C. Here's a quick look at the handle on the bottom of the filter that says lock. The first thing that we need to do is to detach the tag on the filter. Place it over the back of the magnet provided in the box. Then green stripes should appear. Down below this information is the magnet. As you can see, Samsung magnet for authentication tag. Detach the tag from the filter and place over the back of this magnet to see the color change. I'll just peel off the tag like it says. Now I have the tag peeled off the filter. I'm going to put it on the back of the magnet, and we should see the green stripes appear. They are a bit hard to see, but those are the green stripes. So we have a good Samsung filter, and we're ready to install. I'll be installing this filter in the RS22T5201 Samsung refrigerator. Here are the instructions for this particular refrigerator. We need to shut off the water supply, take out the existing filter, insert the new filter, reset the filter, and then run water for about 7 minutes. So let's get started. Here's the fridge. As you can see, the indicator for the filter is red, so we need to replace it. Here's the existing filter that needs to be replaced. Below my sink is the water shutoff for the fridge. I'm just going to turn this knob to turn off the water that's going to the fridge. Now I'm going to turn the knob on the filter 90 degrees counterclockwise, or 1/4 turn, to unlock the filter. And then I'm going to turn it a little more so I can actually slide it out of the hole here. Take the cap off the new filter. Then insert the new filter into the fridge, the same way we took the old filter out. And turn the filter clockwise until the arrow's pointing to the lock. So for me, 90 degrees to get it in, and then another 90 degrees to lock it. If the fridge is locked, hold down the lock for 3 seconds until the lock goes away. Then hold down the button for the ice maker for 3 seconds until the red filter goes away. Now we should be all set. At this point, the filter is replaced and we can turn the water back on. Next, let's check the water dispenser to make sure the water's coming out. And it looks like the water's coming out. So it's going to take a little bit to get the air out of there. The instructions say to run this for about 7 minutes. This is to remove impurities and air from the water line. You may want to use a bigger container while you're trying to get the water through the line here. I'm just going to use one of my cooking pots and then let the water run for about 7 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.